In this video, I want to quickly show you my Notion system for freelancers and small business owners, where you can organize all your projects, clients, tasks, meetings, finances, marketing, and more. So when you open this system, you see the main dashboard. And in this dashboard, you can see all your tasks for today and also tasks for this week. And also you can see ongoing projects with the status, client, and if you go inside the project, you can see all tasks for this project, not started, in progress tasks, calendar to quickly plan your tasks, and also notes that are related to this project, and invoices and income for this project. And then the Freelance Copilot has a section for tasks. So here you can see all your tasks across all projects, not started, in progress, calendar to quickly plan your tasks for this week and for this month. And also you can see your tasks grouped by project with a total time spent for this project and status. Then the Freelance Copilot has a section to manage all your projects. So here you can see all projects in different states and clients, and same as before, if you go inside the project, you can see more details like tasks, notes, invoices, and income for this project. Inside the notes section, you can track all your notes for clients and for projects. And you can see all notes, not archived and archived. And of course, if you go inside the note, you can see the actual contents of the note. Then the Freelance Copilot has a section to manage your clients. So here you can see all your clients and like source, status, email, website, and their phone number. And also you can track your clients across sales pipeline. So from awareness to contracted state, proposal, won, lost. Then in the meetings and interaction log, you can see all your meetings with your clients and different interaction types, email, video call, and also meeting status. So if it is scheduled, held, no show, or cancelled. Also the date and the calendar to track your meetings. Then inside products and services, you can see all your products and services with the description, type, and price for the service or price for this product. And you can see price, status, and URL to the product. Inside the marketing section, you can create and schedule your posts. So here you can see all posts in different states, and also if it's like reel or short or blog post or whatever, and the platform and publish date and status. And also calendar, so you can just drag and drop your post on the calendar to schedule it. And also you can see inspirations, so you can track different like resources for inspiration and category, type, and link to the resource. And also networking, so here you can track like communities or like collaboration opportunities, and you can see here category, if it's influencer, event, community, or you can add your own category. Then I also added a section for professional development and education, so here you can store different resources, certifications, and workshops, so you can identify improvement areas where you want to improve. Let's say you want to improve your design skills, and description or like why you want to improve it. And also you can store different resources and certifications for this improvement area. And of course you can see all your resources and certifications here on the gallery view in a separate sections. Also in this Freelance Copilot, you see templates, for example, contracts, emails, some sequences, onboarding, standard operating procedures. So if you go inside, you can store templates for different categories. And lastly, the Freelance Copilot has a section for finances. So here you can track your income, expenses, invoices. All income by month, by year, by project, and by client. Invoices, and if you create a new invoice, let's say this one, issue date, let's say today, due date, and amount. And then we connect it to the client and let's say to the project. And if you press this button, the invoice will appear here in income and it will be marked as paid. Also, you can track your expenses, so all expenses by month and by year expense categories, so you can go inside and see all your expenses for different categories. So yeah, this is my Notion Freelance Copilot system for freelancers and small business owners, and this system is available at Grizzly Templates Marketplace. I will leave the link to the template in the comments, and I hope you like this system and it will help you organize your activities.